देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा कर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए
Now on this video we take some examples of this the linear differential equation with coefficient constants coefficient, and I take also posted the first, second, third and also one video, link on the description, I button and last in sharing. Now first of all we find only here the pi only. Now find the pi, it's only example. So 1 plus d square plus 4 square times of d minus 2 square of cos 2x, that's equals to. Now you watch this, I saw you some things. Okay, you saw the board, the whiteboard also I write there, and I want to talk you some things about that and about myself. Okay, so now first of all I'm a BSc mathematics students. Okay, and this for the second sim and I am students. I can't not say you that which university under I read that. Okay, now I also posted this topics videos. Okay, and this is the linear differential equations, this type of this the last video. Okay, and next time I also posted about it, that the homogeneous part, that's about only two or one or two only videos. Okay, then I take the last two videos of this the differential equations with coefficient terms, this the new topic. Okay, and then right again I take some Cambridge University constant questions. Okay, and also follow me on the Telegram page and follow me Instagram and Twitter accounts. Also you can join the Facebook page, Facebook group, as you like that. Link on the comment box and description. Telegram page also you take that from my comment box. I also given that the pin and also description box, and part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4 videos link on the description and the last in sharing and also the I button. Okay, so now first of all I'm a student and I love mathematics. So now first of all this the some example of this video on the mathematics. So I'm from West Bengal. I don't to say you that of my what state and what district and what area, my village name or my town or city name. I don't say you that. Okay, now first of all I'm from the West Bengal. I'm a Bengali. Okay, I'm not any others, but I want to these videos are popular in English, therefore I try to say English with you by these videos. I also subscribe my YouTube channel, never miss press the bell icon, like, comment, share and subscribe, and share with your friends circle as WhatsApp group, Facebook group, Twitter group, Instagram group and also Telegram group. You can share with your some friends, family members or your teachers also. I'm working with crazy ideas video, and that's about that. Okay. Now these examples are very important, interesting and so on. So therefore it's only a story type video, you can say that, and also with some very important examples with this video. So, and I know I also convert of this season that the differential equation part. Okay, I if you want to say the some reference book of the differential equations, I also say that the Ghosh Chakrabarty is, or S.K. Chand, or I want to say you that the रोस नाम का एक बहुत बढ़िया बुक लिखते हैं वो वाला आप लिख सकते हैं. Okay, and so on. You can understand that so many videos of many YouTubers also send much more videos. You can watch the Sir Gajendra Purohit or a math lover. That's me, okay? That's me. Am the a math lover video. I was inspiration from Dr. Gajendra Purohit, sir, and Black Pen, Red Pen, the Chinese man, okay, and also a German mathematician is coming there, and a British mathematician was. I want to save that the on my description box some crazy ideas of the mathematics and physicist name. And if you want to some Hindi language YouTuber of this science field, I also description on the description also I give that name. So I'm a average student, okay? I'm not extraordinary. I'm not extraordinary. I'm not the much more biggest a very good person. I'm not that. I'm a simple person. And also I want to say you that I have no ego. Okay. I also if you give me any comment, have a question also. You have any question, if you say me on comment box, I want to as soon as I give you that answer as a reply. And if you and also I want to say you that if you follow me the Instagram, I can't follow back you. That's the mathematics page also. Therefore I can't follow you, cannot follow you back. But I have a also personal Instagram page. There I also follow back you. And if you have if you have a YouTube channel, then comment me that hello sir, have a YouTube channel, please watch it one more. I also watch that. If you send me the link, I also watch that. If you have any YouTube channel, send me on Instagram accounts, link on the description. But don't mm, don't message me on Facebook, as I'm not join on now Facebook. I'm online in Instagram and Twitter, and you can say that the Telegram page also. So have a good day. Bye. Good night also. That not day. That's night. And this video all about this that 20 or 21 minutes video. It's very long and long lasting video. Okay. And I also say you that the CF means coefficient function, GS means general solution, PI mean particular integral. Here particular integral mean and not interact all integral. Okay. As as well I want to say you that the is similar not using the similar rule here of the integral function as d plus 3 if you have and the cos 3, that's the another rule, and you have the d square plus 3 of cos 3x, then the another rule coming, and you have d square plus 9 cos 3x, so another. And if you have the 1 by d square minus 9 of cos 3x, then much more another. So these four things are different integral function. Okay, therefore we also can say that the particular integral, not general integral, that's it's became the particular integral. Okay, and also AE means auxiliary function. Auxiliary mean helping. Okay, so any ex- have you any is equation also a linear equation, then you can't without the helping auxiliary equation solve that. As well, you can't solve without a auxiliary integral. Today ill. I'm ill also. My body is loose motion. Today's coming. Therefore, I'm not active. And it's very interesting mathematics. I love mathematics also, and mathematics is interest. Am take interest in mathematics on class 7 or 8. I'm from Lice Institute. There I interest on the chemistry and mathematics and also physics. But I don't understand biology as well. So many students love with the biology, but I don't understand that, and that's my problem. Okay, S- all persons, all human, all bodies have less than one problem in their life. Nobody has. You can't not that you cannot find out or figure out any person who have no problem. So I have a problem of this. That is so on this question, this very interesting and important. Okay, sine hyperbolic x. Please watch that. As well, I want to say that yes, every person have much more problems. I have to. I have as like I can't understand the biology. Therefore, biology and you can botany and geology. But I like botany. Okay, but I don't like the human body of human structure. दैट्स आई थिंक वो कहते हैं ना कि घिनौना लगता है वो उस तरीके से मेरे जब भी नॉट इंटरेक्ट नहीं हो पाता वो। ओके, पढ़ाई में इतना ज़्यादा कन्वर्ट नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए मैं बायोलॉजी से उतना भी ज़्यादा इंटरेक्ट नहीं हो पाता। देयरफॉर and you understand that so many students don't like mathematics as बचपन से ही बहुत लोगों ने कहता है कि अंक मैथ का नाम से ही शरीर में बुखार चढ़ जाता है, उस तरीके से होता है। हम बंगाली लोग जो कहते हैं कि अंकन नामे ज्वर आसे, दैट्स लाइक ओके, बट आई लाइक मैथमेटिक्स एज वेल। इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट दैट्स यू हैव। मैं हिंदी में ही कह देता हूँ कि वो चीज़ क्या है। सोचिए कि आप एक रास्ते से घर जा रहे हैं, लेकिन शायद मैं और एक चीज़ कहता हूँ कि आप सोचिए एक बार कि आप स्कूल से घर जा रहे हैं पैदल और साइकिल से और मोटरसाइकिल से, किसी से भी। ओके, पैदल जाने में ही बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट आता है, असल थकान भी होता है और दोस्तों के साथ कल्पा सल्पा भी होता है। therefore and now if you have so many ways to going to the your home from your school, okay, मतलब कि आप घर जाने के लिए बहुत सारे रास्ता है आपके पास, लेकिन आप किस रास्ते से जाते हैं जिससे आप इंटरेस्टेड हो। इससे नहीं कि आपको जो रास्ता शॉर्ट लगता है, यानी कि छोटा रास्ता से आप नहीं जाते कि घर जल्दी पहुँचेंगे ऐसे फर्स्ट टाइम coming home. That's not okay. You go to your home as well. You figure out and your friends also figure out. That's like mathematics. That's not कि आपका सर और टीचर ने जो रास्ता आपको मैथमेटिक्स को करते हुए दिखाया वो छोटा है, इजी है, इसलिए आप उसको कॉपी कीजिए। दैट्स नॉट राइट। ओके, आई डोंट एग्री विथ दैट। आई एग्री विथ दैट दैट्स इज आपको कौन सा रास्ता अच्छा लगता है, आप पहले उसको समझिए, उसको आप निकालिए। आप खुद के तरह से सोचिए कि आप कि क्या करना चाहते हैं उस, माने किस तरीके से आप उसको डिफाइंड करना चाहते हैं। मैथमेटिक्स को आप खुद से भी डिफाइंड कर सकते हैं, किसी से हेल्प भी ले सकते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन किसी के कॉपी मत कीजिए भाई। डोंट कॉपी एनी मोर in mathematics and any subject, okay? एड्स ऑयल आई लाइक बंगाली। लेकिन मुझे बंगाली में कोई भी आप स्टोरी दे दीजिए, पोइट्री दे दीजिए, या फिर कोई प्ले दे दीजिए, मैं उसको अपने व्यूज से कहता हूँ। ऐसा कि नहीं कि इसमें कहा गया कि इस तरीके से दैट्स टाइप ऑफ दिस स्टोरी से मी दैट on a book this, and I figure out on my brain. That's mean the brain drain. Okay, आपका पर्सपेक्टिव आप खुद रखिए। आप किसी का पर्सपेक्टिव आपका सर में मत चढ़ाइए। जैसा कि कोई लोग आपको शायद कह सकता है कि बचपन में से ही आपसे ये नहीं होगा भाई, आप दूसरा रास्ता चुनिए। हाँ जी, आप ऐसा कीजिए। हाँ जी, आप चल रहे हैं या कि मैं चल रहा हूँ। आप आप ये भी सोच सकती है कि after 60 year or after 50 year later, that person not interact on your life। आपका लाइफ का स्टीयरिंग आपका खुद का हाथ में होना चाहिए, नहीं तो आप एक सर्वेंट जैसा बिहेव करेंगे। आप यू कांट ए ओनर that time, you must be your owner on your head। आप दिल से मत सोचिए, दिमाग से सोचिए, क्योंकि 50 या फिर 60 साल के बाद आपका दिल बाई का बाही रह जाएगा, लेकिन दिमाग अगर आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो फिर आगे जाएगा, या तो बाई पर रह जाएगा। इसलिए कोई भी डिसीजन, टेक्स योर डिसीजंस with your strongs, not soft and not be emotional। ओके, इमोशन एक गंदा चीज़ है। आपको अभी तो बहुत अच्छा ही लगेगा एज वेल। बॉलीवुड, I hate Bollywood, okay? I must hate Bollywood and hate Bollywood songs and Bollywood styles. I hate that. That's takes your much more important times, okay? That's not give you any lessons. Not give you any lessons। आपका आप एक चीज़ सोचिए कि साइंस फिक्शन से आप क्या कुछ नहीं सोच सकते हैं कि एस लाइक आई लाइक cartoons as as well Japanese cartoons, that's mean the anime or animation you can say that, and the storybooks as like the manga series I like that, as well the Doraemon, or you can say that's the Doraemon, okay? They that have a time machine, time travel, loop, string theory, quantum physics, quantum theory. That's say you about that, but you can say me that the any Bollywood movies can say you that that's not, they are say the romance प्यार ये सब कुछ। देख भाई, जब खाना नहीं मिलेगा ना तब खिड़की से ना वो सब कुछ भाग जाएगा यार। आपको अगर किसी आपको अगर स्टेज में खड़ा कर दिया जाए कि आप अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए, कि आपके एजुकेशन सिस्टम के बारे में कुछ बताइए, कि आप शायद फिजिक्स में ऑनर्स कर रहे हैं, तो फिर फिजिक्स का एक टॉपिक दे दिया दैट्स लाइक माई लाइक आई लाइक दैट द स्ट्रिंग थ्योरी। आप स्ट्रिंग थ्योरी के बारे में कुछ बताइए, ओके? यू कैन से एक्सप्लेन ए ब्रीफ एक्सप्लेन ऑल्सो with the string theory। You can say that question you with yourself, ask today, as like that today night, ask yourself, if you if I say you that the what is infinity, you can explain that a brief line, with any with a short brief also, as well, w- with 10 words, you can say me that's not. But if I say you any Bollywood movies, you explain that, but that's not use on your real life, okay? It's save out myself, and it's a storytelling, as today I am very ill. am not okay, good, okay, but I'm not positive, okay? I'm not positive of the COVID-19। I have loose motion today, as well my food poisoning on my a small food poisoning also, therefore I that, and bit, and on this the question number 7 is very important. please watch it. That, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Telegram page. I give you the PDF format of these all questions, and with another all very important question on the Telegram page PDF format. Link on the description and comment box of pin. Sorry, with pin. I also give that. Okay. And this mathematics is very easy, very important, very complex, with very interesting part in our life. It's a very important. Okay. So join the Telegram page. Link on the description, I button, and also I also say that. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Good night. Bye.